This video illustrates the conversion of a fifth wheel or travel trailer for using 50 amps at a 30 amp RV site. The only difference is that you may need to run the cables under the floor of the travel trailer rather than across the pass-through of the RV. You will be able to operate both your air conditioners at the same time, even when staying at a 30 amp site. When using only one air conditioner, you will have a full 30 amps for other appliances. This modification is accomplished with the use of a Safe RV power transfer switch to utilize the 20 amp ground fault protected circuit available at virtually all 30 amp RV sites. The Safe RV power transfer switch will permit operation of your air conditioner or your fireplace from the 20 amp outlet without the danger of switching the air conditioner back onto the inside circuit. Opening the package containing the Safe RV power transfer switch, we find that Safe RV Power has included a manual, a junction box, wire nuts, and electrician's tape. Before beginning installation, please review the installation manual for all safety procedures. All AC power must be disconnected. Additionally, it is very important to disconnect the RV 12-volt battery to ensure your safety. We will start the modification by determining which circuit breaker operates the main air conditioner and which circuit breaker operates the fireplace. Once we have identified the correct circuit breakers, we remove the cover to the circuit breaker box and the trim around the box. We now remove the circuit breaker that controls the air conditioner and the circuit breaker that controls the fireplace. Notice that there are two individual circuit breakers on each of these devices. We need to remove the wire from the correct side. Once the black wires are removed, we can replace the circuit breakers and proceed to remove the white and ground wires that are associated with the black wires. We then remove the air conditioner cable and fireplace cable from the box. If you don't have a fireplace or don't wish to modify your fireplace, you obviously don't have to deal with a fireplace cable. Next, we feed a cable from the driver's side of the RV to the circuit breaker box. It is important to mark this cable with a piece of tape or black marker, so we know this cable is the one that will be going into the inside circuit breaker. We feed the cable into the box, strip the ends of the wires, and connect them in the exact places where the air conditioner had been connected. This cable will allow us to run the air conditioner off the inside current when staying at a 50 amp RV site. Similarly, another cable is run from the driver's side to the circuit breaker box area, and the end is inserted into the junction box provided. The air conditioner cable that was removed from the circuit breaker is then inserted into the junction box, along with the fireplace cable if being used. The ends of the cables are stripped of their insulation and grouped by color. A wire nut is tightly twisted on each group and taped in place. The tape is not necessary, but would keep the wire nut in place should it become loose. Once the cables are joined, the cover is placed on the box and the junction box secured out of the way, so the circuit breaker box can be reinstalled. The circuit breaker box can now be reinstalled. We then mount a feed-through in the floor of the pass-through or into the side of the RV if that is preferred. We cover the sides of the hole with silicone caulk to prevent delamination. Going back to the driver's side of the pass-through, drill a hole if necessary to feed the cables into the pass-through. We cut the cables to length and insert them into the Safe RV power transfer switch. The cable we marked is stripped and attached to the terminal strip terminals in the red area. The cable coming from the air conditioner is stripped and connected to the terminals in the yellow area marked load. Finally, with the power connected to the RV through the normal power cord and both switches off, the pilot light must not be lit. We must check that this is the case. If the pilot light is lit, the cables are hooked up incorrectly inside the switch. When installed correctly, anytime the pilot light is lit, there is power to the air conditioner. This power can be coming from the 20-amp ground fault circuit when at a 30-amp RV site. This completes the installation of the Safe RV power switch. It is very important that you follow the safety check procedures outlined in the manual to ensure safe operation.